It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, smartphone wireless charging, air conditioning, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.